windows. To clean all of them will take 3 a.m. to 8. To level 148, we're going to use 10 elevators. Because there is no straight lift from the bottom to the top, it's impossible. You can see there's a lot of sections. So first we're going to take lift. So now let's have a look how everything begins. We're going to move slowly. This is how you can see everything one by one. Please. The excavation begins in 2004, and as you will see on the picture, before there was just an empty area on the place of the Burj Khalifa. There was nothing around. 40 levels, Armani Hotel and Armani Residence. The founder is Giorgio Armani, of course, and this is the second Armani Hotel in the world. There is total 2. About level 40 to level 110, there's a residential area, and you can buy an apartment here if you like. You can choose. We have from smallest one to the biggest one. Gonna take stairs? No. Not today?
No.
Why? Only 3,000. On the screen over here, how fast we'll move up. Where's your parachute? Numbers of the floors that we are passing through. The ears are popping? Yeah. Since you feel the pressure, because the pressure is changing as we're moving up. Nice. Straight to the space.
Ada 20 mga floor. Tingnan niyo kung gaano kabilis. I don't think kung makikita niyo. Medyo maliwanag pa nandito yung araw. Hirap magtrabaho. Joke lang, mamasyal lang ako. Ito yung view ko dito. Yan, iikutin ko. Yan, ang view ko dito. Ganda, diba? Okay guys, medyo mainit pa dito sa side na to. Mamaya kahapon. Hindi pa makita eh. Yan, inikot ko na lang para mas ma-appreciate nyo yung lugar. At para makita nyo din yung mga nakikita ko. Kasi pag nakaharap, liwanag masyado. Yung guys, yung mga bahay dun. Old Dubai, yung structure. Dito, mga modern na. Yan, dito mga modern na. Pero doon, yung mga napapanood nyo or nakikita nyo sa Counter-Strike, ganun yung itsura ng mga bahay. Guys, siyempre dahil VIP, may foods, at siyempre may pakape sa tok-tok ng Burj Khalifa. Alam mo, parang ayoko na, parang gusto ko nang umayaw sa trabaho nito. Hirap na ako. Yung papakating niya kami dito sa mataas na building na to. Kasing trabaho to. Parang ayoko na.
Mag-resign ka na.
Magre-resign ako bukas na bukas. Kilala ko to ah. Top seller to sa purse eh.
Hirap ng trabaho. Ayoko na.
Ang hirap ng trabaho.
Resign na ako bukas.
Nagre-resign na raw. Sobrang bilis.
Oh, yeah.
Bulaga. Gulat ko yun. Ah, may souvenir shop na.
Look at that. Oh my God.
Yan, we're on 120 people. Parang mali ako ng... Ah, hindi. Matao nga. Sa 124. Nandun sila. So, we're on 120 feet pa kasi. Pero mas malilim dito at mas malamig. Alright. Mas parang okay dito.
Don't break the tower!
Oh, nice. Ang kulit niya guys, sumisigaw siya. Oh, ito guys dito katulad ng Tokyo Tower. Fake lang to, fake.
Walk some more. Some more. 2 more steps. Yes, stop. Now, put your hands up. Look up, left,
Hmm.
right, and down.
Kala ko to, fake ito eh.
Boss, go.
Fake ito eh. Hindi katulad to ng Tokyo Tower eh.
Ang cute.
Uy! Ito. Gulat ako! Ano ka? Niloko mo ako ah. Pinagulat ako sa tunog. Cool. Oh. And then, oh, pwede ko i-zoom. Ang galing guys. Thank you Lord. Para sa experience na to. Sobrang pogi mo. Di ka nag-artista. Ba't nagkahente ka? Sarap dito. Mas parang okay dito. hangin yung book. Okay guys, enough na nakaharap sa akin. Pakita ko na lang yung mga lugar na nakikita ko. Okay? Try natin umikot 360. Nandito na kami sa 124th floor. Ikot lang kami tayo mga. Ikot lang. Hindi ko talaga mapakita sa inyo yun. Ang init eh. Ako natatanaw ko siya pero dito sa phone, ewan ko kung kita siya. Souvenir shop. Kilala kita, top seller ka ng purse.
They were both very young kids at the time.
That's included in the package.
You have to kind of expect them, I guess.
There was a connection.
They'd be pretty cool at $90.
Thank you.